Hello everyone, how are you? I hope all of you are doing really good. So finally, there is the official word from the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. Cut-off date for enrollment in the foundation or intermediate course for appearing in September 2024 and January 2025. So that's the announcement that has just come from the Institute. It was one of the most awaited announcements, I would say. A lot of students were asking that, sir, what will happen, right, to the intermediate in September 2024 and January 25, what should be there? So finally, this is the official word from ICI that if you are a foundation student and an intermediate student, then the exams will be held thrice a year. Clearly written in the very first line, will be held thrice a year in the month of May, June, September and January from the existing practice of 2 years, and CA final examinations will continue as such in the month of May and November, right? So that is going to be same. Okay, the students fulfilling the eligibility criteria for admission to foundation course that is registered with BOS for a minimum period of 4 months on or before first day of the month in which examination is held, along with other criteria and all those things. So basically, the eligibility criteria remains the same, that for appearing in the foundation examination you should have 4 months period from the registration, and for the intermediate it is 8 months from the registration, right? So whatever the attempt is from the day you have registered, for the intermediate or for the foundation, 4 months and 8 months respectively. For those who want to appear in September 2024, foundation students who want to appear in September 24, they must register before 1st of May, right? Very clearly mentioned that they should be registering before 1st of May. And for the CA intermediate students who have already registered before 1st of January 2024, not 25, 1st of January 2024, they are eligible to appear for September 24 attempt. If you are an intermediate student and if you have registered for intermediate after 1st of January 2024, then you will have to appear for January 25 attempt, right? Then you are not eligible for appearing in September 24 attempt. So please plan your preparations accordingly. If you have registered after 1st of January 2024, that is clearly mentioned, sir. Up to 1st of January eligible for 24 attempt, and after 1st of January, right, you are eligible for January 25 attempt. So if you were preparing for one group and you have registered after 1st of January, now you have a great opportunity to prepare for both the groups. Why not go for it? Right, so please prepare your schedules accordingly. This is official now from the institute, and all those who are going to appear for September 2024 attempts, guys, do not waste time. Now is the time that you decide on each and everything, how to plan your classes, how to plan your material, each and everything, because September 24, the next 3-4 months, May, June, July, August, maximum of 4 months you have. How they will fly past, even you won't get to know, right? So these 4 months are extremely crucial. Please do not think of skipping the attempt. If you are eligible for September 2024, do not think of skipping the attempt. In fact, instead I would say just plan for how you can give it to your best. ठीक है ना? ये मत सोचो कि सर छोड़ दें अब, ये सोचो कि इसको बहुत बढ़िया तरीके से किस तरह से प्रिपेयर करें. So stay positive, that's the only way to stay ahead, right? So please prepare for September 2024. टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करना, बिल्कुल टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करना सर. 4 महीने आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा कब आए और कब चले गए, राइट? सो इसके पीछे ये नहीं कि हम छोड़ दें अटेम्प्ट, लेकिन इन 4 महीनों को किस तरह से हम बेस्ट यूटिलाइज कर सकते हैं टू प्रिपेयर फॉर द नेक्स्ट अटेम्प्ट, right? So all the best, guys. This was official now from the institute, and that's what I wanted to share with you. So all the best for your preparations. God bless you all. See you till then. Take care. Bye bye.